What's going on, guys? So today we have a 5th generation, I think this is a 512 gigabyte iPod. Yep, that's been upgraded. And they told me that their hold switch and the headphone jack, the hold switch doesn't work and the headphone jack is only playing out of one ear. Luckily for them, they get a twofer because it's the same cable. Actually, they need a battery replacement too. From the box, I could smell like a almost like a Sharpie, like a strong magic marker. And actually, I can, I can smell it off the top of the iPod too. And that is a good indicator that the battery has ruptured. So I can't send it back in the mail like that. So I messaged them and said, hey, you know, it'll be X amount of dollars to replace the battery if you want to do it. I would highly suggest it. Obviously, if they say no, I'm just going to throw a battery in there anyway because I can't not replace it. So, all right. I just want to check and see what's going on with this thing before we open it. All right, what do we got? Excuse me, loudness is what we have. Holy hell. Okay, yeah, the right ear is working. Left ear does not function. And the hold switch is not working. Nothing at all. Okay, well, let's get into this thing then. All right, and this is the 5th generation thick iPod. So this is a very, very easy iPod to get into. Probably one of my favorite ones, if not my favorite one. So just find a spot between the front and the rear casing. You don't even really have to do anything. Just kind of slip it in between there and press the clips down. Like you barely have to move it and it comes loose. And then just work your way around, repeating the process until you have an open iPod. Come on. There we go. Ooh. Look at that bezel. That sucks. It's the only thing that sucks about these aftermarket cases. They're all crap. Let's see what we can do about that. There we go. Okay, well, I don't have to do my spiel now about the battery. Ugh. Yeah, that's got to be replaced. Okay. Where's my tweezers? I don't need my tweezers. I just need a spudger. Hold down on this part here, and then pull up. That will ensure that the battery connector doesn't get pulled off. Okay, so now all we are going to do... Look at that. I bet you that's our issue right there. For those of you that can't see, that cable is not seated all the way. There we go. Let me reseat that cable. There we go. There we go. Alright. Maybe we could do like some, I don't know, hot glue or something. I don't know. I'll see what I can do. Okay, so for now, just want to check and see if this is going to work. Just going to plug it in. Give it power. Okay. And the hold switch, look at that, is engaged now. Now it turns off. Now it's back on. Okay. So let's check the sound. Okay. Come on. should pick something I know. Oh, wait. Oh, I know this song. Sorry, I have both ears. Yep. Okay. Well, so much for showing you guys a headphone jack replacement. But, you know, sometimes those are the breaks. That's how we do troubleshooting. So, excellent. Let's put it back together. I'm going to get this guy a battery. Okay, got the replacement battery. Well, let's open this guy back up. We'll tuck this back down under there. Felt like something was off. But nope, must have been just me. Alright, take this guy out. Goes like this, away. Let's flip this around. Okay, now we take our spudger and our paperclip tool. And yep, wait for the click. There it is. Click. You South Park fans? Why don't you take a picture? Okay. Click. Sorry. Alrighty. There we go. Still don't know what I'm going to do about this yet. If I can like hot glue it, or if I had a hot glue gun. Alright, we are back. Gonna put a little bit of super glue. I don't know how fast this is gonna come out. I feel like I'm pressing really hard. Maybe I didn't puncture it enough. Are we through? Okay, let's try this again. Just a tiny dab will do us. And we'll just kind of work our way kind of along there. There we go. Just need it in a couple of spots to hold us down. There we go there. Get in there. Do the same to the end. Do the same to the end. There. Okay, got some on my finger. Now, very important, do not get stuck. Okay. All right, so we will let that sit up. Let's see, how long? It does not say. No. Well, I'll see you back in just a few minutes. Alrighty, we've been screwed and glued. It sounded way better in my head. Okay, so everything's looking okay here. I think we're gonna be all right. Let's put it back together and see. And we'll seat the headphone jack. There we go. Flip that over. Now we are going to open this battery connector again. Hold down on the battery connector. Actually, I don't know if you guys can see. Oh yeah, you can see that. Sorry, I'm working off of a new camera. And by new camera, I mean new phone. Okay, holding the battery connector with the spudger again. You're gonna run the paperclip tool along the back side until you hear that click. All right, now we're going to seat this cable. Get in there, brother. There we go. Get all this lined up in here. All right, let's see if everything will close. Get the top in. Let's see. Get up top. top. Open it back up. Yeah. Just slide that back up. Get up there. That broke loose again, damn it. Let it cure long enough. Struggling with the iPod is fun. No, it's not. I'm just kidding. Struggling with iPods. There we go. There she is. Okay, so we will test it one more time. Load. Good Lord. Okay. And just make sure everything... Yep, battery charge indicators on there, so that's good. Okay, let me plug in some headphones real quick. Verify that the hold switch and all that good stuff and the headphones all still work. Yep. Hold switch good. Okay, what do we got? What do we got? Music. Music. Alright. Let's see. Dvorak. Symphony number 9. I know this song. Is it weird that I know it from Boston Public? Anybody remember that show from 2000? Oh, that was a killer show, man. It was a great show. There it goes. The freaking principal, or no, the vice principal, he like becomes like a conductor or something, and I don't know, just like, I don't know, dude, the writers must have been really reaching here, because holy crap. Okay, anyways, sorry, I'm rambling. Both headphones are working. Play pause works. Next. Previous. I'll have to start it over to do previous. Let's find something else. Something with more than one song. There we go. Assassin's Creed, Black Flag. Oh, that's a hell of a game. Play pause is good. Next is good. Previous good. Menu good. Oh, this is a great game. Oh, I don't want to go back and play it now. Okay, hold switch. All good. All right, guys. Well, hello, knocking everything over. That'll do it for this one. So, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Drop a comment down below, and I will catch you on the next one.